What's up everybody, it's BBaby101 and welcome back to my channel. I know I look cray right now, but I wanted to go ahead and do this look for you guys. It was inspired by Jaclyn's tutorial, which was inspired by someone else's tutorial. I did my best to pass the test. I'm really not sure if I got anywhere near it, but it is kind of looking cute. I am not done with the complete slide, so it does look a little crazy. We can go and jump right into the tutorial and I'll show you the finished look. And I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna take that one and really concentrate that into my crease, my lid, and all of that. I like this color, this rustic dark brownish red color, because it's great for a transition, but it also is intense enough to smoke it out. So you can build up this color as much as you like, but yeah, I'm just gonna place this in the crease and then work on the outer corner a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna be going into the crayon case. Watch My Smoke palette, which they don't actually have anymore. They have the box of crayon palettes, which I'm actually ordering, so I will do a demo for that on my channel as well. I'm going to be taking this pink color here and I'm going to melt that into the crease color that I have laid, but I'll actually kind of lay it on top too so you can see it. This is supposed to be a galaxy look. Never really been good at those, y'all, so I am trying. But yeah. I do go up a bit in the brow because when I do lay down my highlight, I usually blend it into that and it usually gives me like a seamless finish and all that. So yeah. I have that laid down. I usually swish my brush off with my brush cleaner, like the little circle thing this here. I gotta clean it, but I'm gonna switch. It's color switch. I'm gonna switch to the ColourPop I Love Sarah collection, and I'm gonna be taking the darkest purple here. Okay, so for right now, I'm gonna leave it where it's at right now, and I'm going to go in back to the Jaclyn Hill palette and take that purple that's right next to the blue. I wish these were labeled better. I mean, period. But this one here, place it right here. I really like her pigments though. They're really pigmented. It's just, I'm really gonna concentrate that in the outer corner, but then I'm actually gonna put it in the inner corner too. Now, this is the point where you're probably gonna wanna go in and clean up or add anything palette. And I'm gonna be taking this color here. I think it's in Jilted, and I'm going to go over that purple with this. It's a lighter purple, but it's just gonna add to what we already have. Go back in and, you know, add as much intensity as you actually want this look to be. Alright, so now for the other parts, I'm going to be going back into my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to be taking this color here. And I'm going to put this right here on my inner corner of my lid. And y'all, I just cannot wait for this to be finished because I can just see now this is going to be bomb. So I just put it right here, right? Usually I put it right there and then I drag it up a little bit into this color so it melts a little bit. So I have that down, this is my favorite part. I'm going to be taking Cleanslate Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in Strawberry Glaze. Can you see that or not? But it's in Strawberry Glaze. Just trust me, I would not. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. I can't explain the color, but it's a pinkish, but it has like gold in it. So this is what I saw her take, I forgot it was Joy, is it? I forgot what glitter she used, but it was some type of glitter that looked bomb, and I don't have it. So the closest thing I could think of was this highlighter, which is kind of glittery, like they're really glittery. So I decided to like kind of dab in here, and hopefully you could see it all over the lid. And she took it up into her crease, so this is what I'm gonna do.
Pretty gang, always keep them niggas on geek. Biting through Texas, feed him for his breakfast. Every time I whip it, I be talking so reckless. He said, damn, Nicky is tight. I said, yeah, nigga, you right. He said, damn, babe, you so little, but you be really taking that pipe. I said, yes, daddy, I do. Give me brain like no I do. I said, teach me, nigga, teach me.
You can do this as many times as you want to do it. But you don't want to completely cover your lid, because then you're not supposed to mimic stars, I guess. Right there. Bang. You just blown. Take the rest of it and put it on your lid. And it went under my eyes with the same colors that I used on top. Now, another thing that I saw her do was take some of the glitter and put it underneath her eyes, and this is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully, it looks the same. So now I'm gonna, move on to highlighting and concealing. I don't believe that I always do this after, like a lot of people don't understand that. I have my answers. But I don't know if I have a video on this. And I'm using my ColourPop concealer. This is in Rich Tan. Rich Tan. I actually like ColourPop's concealers a lot. I didn't think I would. I like that it's drying. It dries really fast. And I'm not a fan of watery concealers. Like I don't know, maybe I feel like it just adds to the already creasing. I feel like watery concealers add to creasing under your eyes. When you let it set and it dry for a minute. Alright. To my crayon case transition notebook and taking the color Bobby, like I've already hit pan. This is my favorite contouring powder, and I actually use the Trophy highlight in this like on my day-to-day basis. Like when I'm doing like a everyday look, I use that. She has some really good products, so just y'all check her out. Alright, so I am going to be taking my blush, and this is in Desert Rose by MAC. And I'm going to be into my cheeks, you know. I actually like Desert Rose. I used to use Pinch Me a lot, but Desert Rose is a pretty nice blush. I'll show you in a minute. Alright, this is how Desert Blush looks. Desert Rose blush. It's pretty cool. Thanks.
Pretty on feet. Pretty gang, always keep them niggas on geek. Biting through Texas. Feed them for his breakfast. Every time I whip it, I be talking so.
Okay. Now that I have that, she did use a pink for her lips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take NYX's Intense Butter Gloss in Chocolate Crepe, and I'm gonna be taking Grape Jelly by Anastasia and mixing the two, honey. I love their lip. Look at that, one swipe. Alright, so, and now I'm gonna, like, I love the gloss. It's just a tad bit intense, so I'm just gonna take a little bit and just a little bit, just the crepe, and just put that in the center. When I like to feel like that glitter sitting on the side, I just take my beauty blender and just blend that into my skin, and that way it's not just sitting here, you know. And there you have it. It's my finished look. What you think? Let's see if it's gonna focus. Join the Hive by subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell so you are aware when I post a video and you don't be left out, because that giveaway is coming up very soon. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!